Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Friends, sometimes we need to download Facebook video in our gallery, but we can't download Facebook video because there is not any official way for downloading Facebook video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Facebook video in a legal way. So this video will be very helpful for you. To learn this full process, make sure you watch the video till the end. Before starting the video, I'll ask you something that if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my video first. So let's start the video. If I go to my Facebook and click here in video option, suppose I want to download this video. For download this video, just click on this three dot option. Then copy this video link from here. Now just open your Chrome browser. Here paste your copy link in search box and type here until facebook.com not come. After that, just cut this www and type here mbasic. Now just enter. After that, you will find here your Facebook video. Click on this video. Now wait a moment. After play this video, click here below in three dot option. Then click on download option. As you can see, my video is downloading. Start. My video downloading process is complete. Now if I go to my gallery, as you can see, my downloaded video is here. So friend, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share. And if you have any queries related to Android and PC, please let me know in the comment box.